Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, which released pre-market forecast for the Emini S P. And we're going to look at a preview for the rest of the week. We trust that you had a great weekend, and we just want to congratulate all you Buccaneer fans out there for your win in the Super Bowl. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this week. Very light week in reference to news. Nothing today or tomorrow. Everything happens Thursday and on Wednesday and Thursday, including the Fed chair speaking at 2 p.m. on Wednesday. So keep your eyes open for these reports coming up. We also have information on inflation. Let's jump to our analysis with our daily chart. And as you can see, we opened up this morning with a very familiar pattern. Or new all-time high established in the after hours of the market. We're at 3,950. Volume still steady, but much lower than the big rallies we had to the downside, averaging 1.2 million, and our ATR is at 61. So it's kind of clipped up just a little bit. But remember, in order for us to find great opportunities, we're looking for at least a 1.1 million in contracts as far as volume is concerned, average, and at least a ATR 14 and above. And excuse me, and we seem to have both of those working for us as we speak. Let's quickly jump to our next time frame here. As you can see, we have blown through every single one of our support and resistance areas that we have previously established, particularly these two here. Market has used it as support, and we're just continuing to make all-time highs on expectations of the potential stimulus coming in from Washington and news about some reopenings in some of the states regarding coronavirus. So that's what it's all about, guys. Market just continues. There really is nothing technical in reference to the market moving down unless there's a sell-off, but the sell-offs are always triggered by something. But as it stands right now, the market is just holding steady and its continuous pattern. The runs, finds clear support, consolidates the runs, finds clear support, the runs. So this is what we're expecting now. In reference to trading this market today, let's look more closely. We're obviously above the intraday high of Friday. This is the intraday low of Friday, so you see we kind of channeled there for a little bit, kind of oscillated between the two areas, but eventually we picked up a lot of steam here in the pre-market earlier this morning. Market breaks clear above the intraday high, uses as a support. Another example of how support and resistance areas switch roles. Market rallies to the new all-time high, returns right back to the support area. So that's our key support area right there. That's our key support area thus far in this market, and everything that happens above this price line here can be considered probably support for more continuation to the upside. And here is our clear resistance. It hasn't not been a proven area yet. First it was just touched, but it has not been established a strong or weak area. But basically this is our support and this is our resistance, and this is where the activity is going to happen most of the day today. And obviously any break above this area here, finding support, would be a good move. And of course, retesting sometime or around here would be a good move. Are we going to hold and move higher, or are we going to break, switch positions once again, and try to move a little lower before we go higher? So let's just quickly do a fib from our run, our swing lows and swing highs. And as we can see, the market basically retraced a 38% when it did this move. So that's where we are right now. So that's a very key support area. It's a confluence between the intraday high and the 38% retracement. So that's what we're looking at today. Just be careful today. Again, the swings are pretty wide, so be very careful with placing your stops. Have a great session. Take care.